Ever pondered the mystery of changing your car's oil by yourself? Well, today, we unwrap that mystery and put the power in your hands. It's a simple process, really, and with a bit of patience and the right tools, you'll have it done in no time. Imagine the satisfaction of maintaining your vehicle's performance all by yourself. You're not just saving money, but also gaining a valuable skill. So buckle up, and let's dive into the step-by-step process of changing your car's oil. Firstly, gather all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a new oil filter, new oil, an oil filter wrench, a socket wrench, a drain pan, and gloves. Remember to check your car's manual for the correct oil type and capacity. Secondly, prepare your vehicle. Ensure the car is on a flat surface. If necessary, use a car jack to raise the car slightly for easier access to the oil drain plug. But safety first, always secure the car with jack stands. Thirdly, locate the oil drain plug. You'll find it under the engine at the bottom of the oil pan. Use the socket wrench to loosen the plug. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Be careful, the old oil may be hot. Let the old oil drain into the pan. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. You'll find it near the engine. Use the oil filter wrench to loosen it, then twist it off by hand. Before installing the new filter, apply a little new oil to the gasket on the top of the filter. This helps it seal better. Screw the new filter into place by hand. Now, we're ready to add the new oil. Locate the oil filler cap on top of the engine and remove it. Insert a clean funnel and pour in the new oil. Be sure to add the correct amount as specified in your car's manual. Finally, replace the oil filler cap and start your engine. Let it run for a minute or two, then check the oil level with the dipstick. If necessary, add a little more oil until it reaches the correct level. And there you have it. You've just changed your car's oil. In summary, gather your materials, prepare the car, drain the old oil, replace the filter, add new oil, and check the oil level. It may seem like a lot, but once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature. And remember, changing your car's oil regularly keeps your engine happy and your vehicle running smoothly. So go ahead, give it a try. Unleash your inner mechanic and take control of your car care.